This is the most frequent highway in Germany.
The most used highway in Germany?
Actually in Europe, to be honest.
Oh, wow.
A2. So it's not normal to stand here, but no, we are sick of lies. We are sick of trying to get rid of our jobs. It's not only farmers, it's the lorry drivers, it's the normal workers. Everybody is sick of politicians who have no idea what they're talking about, who have no education to tell us how our lifestyle should look like. And this is the result of 4 years trying to get in contact with politicians, talking to them on an equal level, but they won't listen. And now we have no other choice than to demonstrate, and it's our right.
Yes.
It's one of the highest rights, especially in Germany.
Yeah.
To demonstrate. We are not violent. This is all friendly. You can see we have a small gap, and people can drive through. Police, ambulances, everybody can come through. But this is only the tip of the iceberg, to be honest. Because all over in Germany we have. This is the west. We have Dutch farmers coming over to support us. In the east we have Hungarian farmers, Polish farmers, and we are all united in getting rid of politicians who are trying to get rid of us.
Right. Yeah, so I was very active in the Dutch farmers protest, and I remember I said a few years ago, guys, pay attention because this is going to be a global issue. There's a global attack on farming. You are describing the same thing here in Germany. Why are these politicians coming after you? Why are they trying to destroy you?
I think there are many reasons. First of all, they want our land, and like you in Holland are kind of the example what politics want, or
right.
Politicians want. They want our land to build industry, houses. I don't know, for refugees, whoever. I don't care for what.
Right.
But the reason they want it is not really my thing to say. But we are the people who don't work in a co-working space, and we don't have a startup or what. We produce the most important thing in the world, food.
Right.
We are here since generations, and they're trying to get rid of us. And we can't let that be. We have all kids. I have 3 kids. I want them to do my job for the next generations.
Yeah.
We have people here who are the 14th, 15th generation.
Right.
And we are the guys who get up, work 24/7 at all weather conditions, and we are the guys who prepare you with the healthiest food. And we do everything that people want us to do.
Yes.
In Germany, everyone says we have to get rid of CO2. Okay, the only guys who can get rid of CO2, if you think it will kill us, right. Are the farmers and the people who own forests.
For us, it was nitrogen, but we all know that it's a lie. It's a pretext. It's a pretext.
Ridiculous.
And I feel like the general population knows. They support you.